Namaste, Pranam, Juhar. Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Pawan Belala Says. It is great to see your smiling face. I am sure this video will be profitable and the next few minutes will be enjoyable and fruitful for you. Please do leave your comments, share with your friends and support by clicking to subscribe button. Enjoy learning and stay connected with me by clicking on the mentioned links below in the description box. Average, कितना सुना, पहचाना सा लग रहा है ना? बिल्कुल दोस्तों, you might be aware of the term average, and would have come across statements involving the term average in your day-to-day life. The term average is used frequently in everyday life to express an amount that is typical for a group of people or things. चलिए कुछ real life example consider करते हैं. For example, you may read in a newspaper that on average people watch 3 hours of mobile phone per day. We understand from the use of the term average that not everybody watches 3 hours of mobile phone each day, but that some watch more and some less. However, we realize from the use of the term average that the figure of 3 hours per day is a good indicator of the amount of mobile watched in general. The average temperature at this time of the year is about 40 degrees Celsius. मेरे प्यारे friends, the average temperature of 40 degrees Celsius means that, very often, the temperature at this time of the year is around 40 degrees Celsius. Sometimes, it may be less than 40 degrees Celsius and at other times, it may be more than 40 degrees Celsius. Similarly, आपसे अक्सर आपके friends, teachers, relatives, पड़ोसी अंकल, आंटी, मौसा मौसी, फूफा बुआ etc. पूछते होंगे आपकी स्टडी के बारे में. आप क्या जवाब देते हैं? मैं तो साफ साफ कह देती हूँ. I spend on an average of about 5 hours daily for my studies. We understand, from the use of the term average, that not every day I study for 5 hours, but that some day more and some less. However, we realize, from the use of the term average, that the figure of 5 hours per day is a good indicator of the amount of time I spend on my study. हमारे आसपास many more of such statements could be there. हम अपने क्लासरूम में अक्सर बातों बैठन में बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं. For example, the average age or height of pupils in our class, or the average performance of pupils in board exam from your school. Think and analysis about such more statements. Thus, we realize that average is a number that represents or shows the central tendency of a group of observations or data. Averages are useful because they summarize a large amount of data into a single value, and it also indicates that there is some variability around this single value within the original data. Since average lies between the highest and the lowest value of the given data, so we say average is a measure of the central tendency of the group of data. Different forms of data need different forms of representative or central value to describe it. In everyday language, most people have an inherent understanding of what the term average means. However, within the language of mathematics, there are 3 different definitions of average known as the mean, median and mode. What the most common representative value of a group of data is the arithmetic mean or the mean. To understand this in a better way, let us look at the following example. 2 vessels contain 30 liters and 65 liters of milk respectively. What is the amount that each vessel would have if both share the milk equally? When we ask this question, we are seeking the arithmetic mean. In the above case, the average or the arithmetic mean would be. Dear friends, we have 2 vessels contain 30 liters and 65 liters of milk respectively. Again, we know that the mean is the most commonly used mathematical measure of average and is generally what is being referred to when people use the term average in everyday language. The mean is calculated by totaling all the values in a dataset. This total is then divided by the number of values that make up the dataset. So, here, arithmetic mean, that is AM, is equal to total quantity of milk divided by number of vessels. Total quantity of milk is equal to 30 liters plus 65 liters, which is equal to 95 liters. Thus, each vessels would have 47.5 liters of milk.
The average or arithmetic mean, AM, or simply mean, is defined as sum of all observations divided by number of observations. We may describe mean as the average of a sample.